If dispersants are to be used, then it is important that supply chain management is considered. This can be challenging, especially if substantial quantities of dispersants are needed for an extensive response operation. The size of the challenge will vary depending on, for example, the locations of the dispersant stock and the spill, transportation options, custom procedures for cross-border movements, and access to suitable freight capability. Delivery by air requires dispersant stocks to be transported to the airport, put onto aviation pallets, loaded into the aircraft and flown to the destination. Once at the destination airport, the dispersant stocks need to be transported via road freight to the dispersant airplane and loaded on. If dispersants are also being applied by vessel, dispersants need to be transported onwards to the port and then loaded onto the spray vessel for deployment offshore. The bulk transport of dispersants by ship may be an option, especially if it can be delivered close to the application site. Logistics may prove difficult for sites away from main supply routes or where support or vessel availability is restricted. Although dispersants are not manufactured on a daily basis, some dispersant manufacturers have established core stocks of raw materials to ensure that they remain capable of generating sufficient product when the need arises. However, even with the raw materials available, it will still take around 15 to 30 days to achieve a typical production rate nearing 70 to 100 cubic metres per day. So it is important that this be factored into the supply chain planning, especially when considering a worst-case scenario.